What is going on, everyone? Welcome to the channel Even Money. My name is Michael Cronk and I'm here to help you and show you what this channel is all about. Here on Even Money, we are mainly going to be focusing on trading and specifically options trading. We will be diving into certain aspects of the market and certain aspects of trading with options. So if you're new to options trading, this is a good channel to start. And if you're not new to options trading, well, it's alright, you can subscribe here too. So like I said, most of the stuff that will be put out on this channel on Even Money is going to be mostly financial and stock options trading. There will be some videos about mindset and how to help your mindset grow along with your trading account. Some of the stuff that I post about the mindset won't be just for trading specifically. Actually, most of it won't be for trading specifically. It's going to be focusing on more of growing your mindset so that you can grow your life, grow your bank account, and grow your trading account all at the same time. So I just want to say thank you guys for checking out the channel, even if you don't subscribe. And if you're not subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. You can go follow us on Instagram and Twitter. I am most active on Twitter, so if you want to follow me on Twitter, I post almost every single day that I am trading. So you can go follow us right here. I'll leave the link right here for you. And the same username that was posted there is also for Instagram as well. So I hope to be seeing you guys in the future videos, and if you like the content, let me know down below. And if you have any ideas, let me know down below as well. I love connecting. I want to build a community around this, so let's get connecting, guys. Anyway, thank you guys for joining the Even Money community, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace!